So now we're going to show you the way to solve a long division problem using the rectangle section division method that is a 4-digit divided by a 1-digit number. Okay, and that's as high as a 4th grade level question would be. So if we have like 6,427 and we share that with 3 groups, okay? So this is kind of what this would look like. We have to make the rectangle, and since this number goes out into the thousands, then we want to think in the thousands, or then we go down to hundreds if we can't do thousands, or we go down to the tens, and then of course we get down to the end and we do our 5s and 2s. Okay? If we get down to the 5s and 2s, then we're looking at basic facts, and we should be able to figure those out knowing our basic facts. So we think about thousands. Can I share 6,427 things with 3 1,000 times? Sure I can. Okay? So I can go 1,000. Okay? So if I take 1,000 times 3, that is 3,000. Okay? So then we subtract 7, 2, 4, and then we have 3,427 left. So then we have to put our 3,427 at the top. So this number just basically slides right up here. Now, if I look at this, can I do thousands again? I say, yes, I can. So that would be 3,000. Okay, so we take the 1,000 times 3 again. That would be 3,000. Okay, and we subtract. 7, 2, 4. So we have 427 left. Now, just a little side note, if you would have put 2,000 over here and then got 6,000 for a number and then subtracted, we could also do that. But sometimes the kids don't realize that they can use that 2,000. So we do show them that you can just keep doing 1,000 over and over again, as many times as you need to get down to your answer. It just takes longer. Okay? So we go ahead and we do the rectangle over here again, and we move our 427 up here. So that's what we're starting with this time. And now we think, can I do 1,000 again? The answer is no, because it would be 3,000. That's way too big. So now we go down to 100. The hundreds. So can I do 100? Yes, I can. Because 100 times 3 would be 300. My subtraction. So 7, 2. So my answer is 127 left. Now my number here that I have for leftovers is still bigger than the number that I'm sharing it with. So that means I can still divide it even further, or share it even further. Okay? So we have 127, and now I'm going to share that. Can I do 100 again? No, because that would be 300. So now we go down to the tens. So if I go 10, that would be 30. If I go 20, that would be 60. If I go 50, that would be 150. That's too much because 5 times 3. So I'm going to go with 40. And the reason I'm going with 40 is because I know my basic facts, and 4 times 3 is 12, and add 0 is 120. So that would be 120. Subtract. Now I have 7 leftovers. Can I share 7 things with 3 and everybody get at least 1? Yes, I can. So I'm not done yet. There's 1 more. Now my 7 comes up here. And now I use my basic facts, and 3 times 2 is 6. Subtract. And I have 1 left. Now 1 remainder, and I have 3 things to share it with, and now I'm done. So this becomes my remainder, and to get my answer, all I do is add up those numbers. So 1,000 plus 1,000 is 2,000, plus 100 is 2,100, 2,140, 2,142. So my answer is 2,142 with a remainder of 1. So that is my answer for 6,427 shared with 3 groups. And that's how you use the rectangle section division method for figuring out a 4-digit divided by 1-digit problem.